Chemistry syllabus. Chemistry syllabus for 11th class or chemistry syllabus. First, structure of atom. Introduction, discovery of electron, mass of electron, radius of electron, mass of hydrogen atom, discovery of proton, atomic nature of electricity, properties of anode, canal rays, positive rays, Thomson's atomic model, Rutherford's experiments of scattering of alpha particles, defects of Rutherford models, atomic number, determination of atomic number, importance of atomic number, neutron and its properties, atomic mass, mass number, main elementary particles, theory of stationary orbit, Niels Bohr model, hydrogen spectrum, circular orbit, one electron system like hydrogen He plus Li plus 2, Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom and electronic transmission and origin of the spectral lines of hydrogen atoms, limitations of Bohr's theory, Bohr-Bury scheme, Sommerfeld extension over Bohr's theory, drawbacks, nuclear stability, odd even rules of nuclear stability, orbit, shell energy level, suborbit, subshell, sub-energy level are vital, quantum number, Pauli's exclusion principle, Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity, the Bahu principle, anomalous configurations, atomic structure of elements, exception to the Bahu's principle, electronic configurations, how to write the electronic configurations of ions, information from electronic configuration, block, valence electrons, core or kernel electrons, nucleate electrons, valence electrons, group periods, wave nature of electrons, de Broglie relation, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, effective nuclear charge and screening effects. Next chapter, radioactivity. Introduction, general properties, nature of radioactive rays, comparative study of different types of radiation, alpha, beta and gamma radiations, difference between chemical charge and radioactive charge, radioactive decay, the K electron capture mechanism of beta decay, group displacement law mechanism of alpha decay, laws of radioactive disintegration, disintegration rate and disintegration constant, expression for radioactive decay, half-life period, average life period, information from half-life period, radioactive series, nucleons, measurement of radioactivity, units of radioactivity, radioactive equilibrium, nuclear reactions, rules to be observed for writing a nuclear reaction, rules to balance a nuclear reaction, complete the flowing nuclear reaction, mass defect in atomic nuclei, packing fractions, binding energy, nuclear fusion, comparison between fission and fusion, artificial or induced radioactivity, production of artificial radioactivity, isotopes, use of isotopes, carbon dating, isobars, isotones, Mason theory of nuclear forces. Periodic classifications. Introduction, description of periodic tables, difference between Mendeleev's periodic table and modern periodic table, general characteristics of the periods, general characteristics of group, uses of the periodic table, drawback of the periodic table, modern periodic law, characteristics of long form of periodic table or modern periodic table, types of element, defects of long form of periodic table, characteristics of S and P block element, periodicity of properties, atomic size, gamma radii, ionization potential or ionization energy, electron affinity or affinity energy, electronegativity, volatility, solubility, solvention energy, hydration energy, melting and boiling points, lattice energy, metallic character, density, nature of oxides, atomic volume, types of elements on the basis of electronic configuration, characteristic of transition elements, bridge elements, typical elements, diagonal relationships, types of element in periodic table at a glance or in a nutshell, some typical problem with answers and exercises.